Hey guys, this is Dia and welcome back to my channel. So a few months ago, a company called Smile Brilliant, they contacted me via email and they wanted to send out their at-home teeth whitening kit for free to me in return for an honest review. Well, I am an avid turmeric tea drinker, so I always knew that my teeth are stained, they are yellow. So I wanted to give it a try, but then I was reluctant, thinking that it will erode my enamel, cause cavity, or even increase the sensitive teeth that I have. So at first, I really didn't respond to them. But then as a couple of days went by, I thought to myself, why not give it a try? So I decided to do a little bit of research and find out the at-home teeth whitening solutions. And I found that there are basically only 4 types. The first one is stripes, which can easily be found at any pharmacy. They do not provide full coverage though, but they also don't provide the desensitizing gel after the whitening process is done, which means more sensitive teeth. So that wasn't an option for me. The second one was charcoal, but I actually read that charcoal erodes the enamel over the period of time. So I didn't want to risk that as well. The third one is laser. Now I personally don't like laser. I have this psychology that laser is bad and it has side effects. So I never go for anything laser. So this wasn't an option for me as well. And the last one was impressions. Now impressions is something that doctors use, and this is the same solution that Smile Brilliant is offering. And the best part was that they are using dentist grade gel. And exactly the same process, but much cheaper than what would cost you at a dentist. Plus, it will save you time because you don't have to queue at a dentist. So I thought, why not? I jumped at the opportunity and I replied to them that yes, I would like to try out your product and provide an honest review. And what I like most about Smile Brilliant is that they wanted an honest and real review. Whatever it is, good or bad, they just wanted it to be real. So guys, the good news is that they have sent me out 2 whitening kit, one for myself to test and try it out, and another one as a giveaway to one of my subscribers. But more details on the giveaway towards the end of the video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So this is the kit that I received. It contains everything you need to whiten your teeth. At the top you have trays that you need to make the impressions of your teeth. At the bottom you have catalyst paste and the base paste that you mix together and put it into these trays to create your teeth impressions. On the side we have teeth whitening and desensitizing gel. You will also receive an instruction card at the bottom on how to properly create an impressions. I will also show you the process how I did it. So basically you mix together catalyst and base paste till it's light blue even color. No more white showing. Once it's light blue, you have to move things quickly. Place the paste into impression trays and create your impressions. I recommend doing one at a time. Once the impressions are made, then fill out the card and mail it to Smile Brilliant so that they can send you your custom made whitening trays. It may take around 1 to 2 weeks depending on your region. So I received my dental impressions within 10 days and voila, I was ready to start my whitening process. What I liked most is that I could multitask, cook, clean while having my trays on, unlike if you go and queue at a dentist. Next, I'll show you teeth whitening process. It's very simple. Take the tray and apply a thin layer of whitening gel across the tray. Make sure to apply it in the area which will come in contact with front of your teeth. I used to leave them on for around 45 minutes to an hour, then apply desensitizing gel for another 20 minutes. So I used to leave my trays on for around 45 minutes to an hour. You can go up to 3 hours depending on how sensitive your teeth are. My teeth are quite sensitive, so I always stick to 45 minutes to an hour. And then after a few applications, what I observed that my teeth were having white spots. Now I was a little worried if this is normal, if this is not. So what I did, I contacted Smile Brilliant and they advised me that this is decalcification or the demineralization of your teeth. So basically what Smile Brilliant suggested me to cure this decalcification is use only desensitizing gel for 4 days, no whitening gel. This kind of hydrates and prepares your teeth for the whitening process. That's exactly what I did. So for 4 days, I only used the desensitizing gel for around 20 to 30 minutes. And after the 4th day, I started my whitening process again. And even after that, what I used to do is I used to first use the desensitizing gel for around 20 minutes, then the whitening gel for around 45 to 50 minutes, and then again the desensitizing gel for another 20 minutes. I know it sounds like a lot many hours, a lot of time that you're putting in, but you know what, actually just put the trays on and forget about it. You can talk, of course you can't eat or drink anything, but you can talk, you can get on to your work, you can play with your kids, you can cook, clean, you can do all chores of your house, and you wouldn't even realize where the time went. And that's exactly what I used to do. And I observed that within 5 to 6 applications, my teeth had a visible difference. And I was happy that the spots were gone and decalcification issue was resolved as well. And I was quite satisfied with the product. Now, so that you know my entire history and experience of at-home teeth whitening with Smile Brilliant, I'll get onto the giveaway. Now, giveaway is very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon for my new video updates, and you could be eligible for your own set of at-home professional teeth whitening. Now, just a disclaimer here that you will have to bear the postage charges to send the impressions to Smile Brilliant Laboratory to receive the whitening trays. Now, I personally paid around $40 to $45 for the postage. So bear that in mind if you're interested in the giveaway. The giveaway will go on for exactly 1 week after this video is live, and you could be one of my lucky subscribers to win your own set of teeth whitening kit. But don't be disheartened if you don't win, because I will have a 15% coupon code. I will leave it in my description box below and also mention it up on the screen here. And that way, if you haven't won but you still want to give this product a try, you can at least buy it at a discounted price. So that's everything about the giveaway, and make sure to enter the giveaway. Go to my community tab, and then I will have a post there about the giveaway. Leave your comment there why you want to win the giveaway, just a little story, and I shall pick a winner from there. I will also leave a few links to the Smile Brilliant articles of teeth whitening, creating the impressions, good or bad impressions, few articles in the description box below for your reference, so that you can have a look at them and know exactly the process. And I shall see you in the next video, and bye for now.